Today we'll be working on BMW 328. This is 1997, but they're similar other years too. First what I want to do is open the hood. This latch. So we'll be switching this temp switch, or I'm not sure exactly what this thing called, but when I ordered it, it's the local AutoZone didn't have it, so I checked other stores. Their AutoZone were giving me something else, a way different switch than this one, and they couldn't even find this switch, but I found this online, and it's called THERMO fan switch. Not 100% sure exactly that's what it's called, but that's what they call it. And this is the part number, and this one we ordered from Pelican Parts, and it's exactly same one. Looks like this. And then we're gonna replace this. I'm not sure if this checks the temperature of, it probably does, of the radiator. And it shows in there and regulates the fan, since that's what it says on it, but I'm not 100% sure. You do your own research, but when I ordered it, it does say THERMO fan switch. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to replace this. It's pretty simple. Now let's get started. So I couldn't find the right size for mine, so I'm using this adjustable wrench. So what you want to do is go counterclockwise, but before you do that, remove this. Just press on this right here and it comes off, and that's how it goes. Mine went easy. Make sure your car is not hot when you're removing this. That's how the old one looks. I believe mine worked, but I just want to replace mine because it's older and I have issues with temperature going up. I'm just gonna replace this anyways, but I also will do other videos with the radiator. I'm gonna flush it and refill it. So if you want to check out my other video that's gonna be coming up, you're welcome. Let's put this aside, and to put it back in, you just the same way how you took it off. Simple and easy, just screw it in clockwise. And also you don't want to over tighten this because you have plastic here and brass or whatever that is. I got snug with my hands and just, I'm not 100% sure what the torque is for this, but you don't want to over tighten it. I'm just gonna do mine facing like this up. Maybe snug a little bit more. Check, make sure it's not loose. It seems tight. And plug it in. So yeah, do your own research about this, but It has something to do with the temperature and maybe the fan, when to turn, for the fan to turn on. But yeah, that's how you replace it. And then I'll be doing more radiator stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.